The amazing world of the octopus, ocean's clever escape artist. Hello, young ocean explorers. Today, we're going on an incredible underwater adventure to meet one of the smartest, sneakiest, and most fascinating creatures in the ocean, the octopus. They have 8 twisty arms, no bones, skin that can change colors, and a mind so clever that scientists say they're like the geniuses of the sea. But that's just the beginning. The story of the octopus is full of mystery, surprises, and jaw-dropping abilities that will make you go, wow. Meet the octopus. The octopus is a soft-bodied sea creature that lives in oceans all around the world. It belongs to a group of animals called cephalopods, which means head-footed. That's because their arms, or tentacles, are attached directly to their head. They have 3 hearts, blue blood, and a beak like a parrot's, but no bones. This means they can squeeze through the tiniest gaps, even holes the size of a coin. The body of a master. An octopus arms are covered with suction cups that can grab and taste at the same time. Yes, their arms can taste. Here's something amazing, each arm has its own mini-brain that can control movements without asking the main brain for help. It's like having 8 helpers that know exactly what to do. And about that brain, the octopus has one of the largest and most complex brains of any invertebrate. They can solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from tanks and aquariums. Color-changing wizards. If you think a chameleon is good at camouflage, wait until you see the octopus in action. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores that can change color instantly. They can become sandy brown to blend with the ocean floor, bright red to scare away predators, or even flash patterns to communicate with other octopuses. Some species even change their skin texture to look like rocks, coral, or seaweed. A disguise so perfect that predators swim right past them without noticing. The great escape artist. If danger comes, the octopus has a trick, they squirt a cloud of dark ink. This ink confuses predators, hides their escape, and even dulls the predator's sense of smell. And remember, because they have no bones, they can squeeze into cracks and crevices where no predator can follow. It's like having a superpower. Life and growth. Most octopuses don't live very long, usually only 1 to 3 years. But in that short time, they live full and adventurous lives. The mother octopus is one of the most dedicated moms in the animal kingdom. She lays thousands of eggs and spends months guarding them without eating, making sure every egg is safe. Once the eggs hatch, tiny baby octopuses, called larvae, float in the open ocean until they are ready to settle on the seafloor. The many types of octopuses. When we think of octopuses, most of us picture a mysterious creature with 8 arms gliding through the ocean. But did you know there are over 300 different species of octopus in the world? Each one has its own unique lifestyle, appearance, and superpower-like abilities. Let's dive in and meet some of the most fascinating types of octopuses. 1. The common octopus. This species is found in oceans all around the globe and is perhaps the best known. What makes the common octopus truly special is its intelligence. It can open jars, solve puzzles, and even escape from tanks and aquariums. They are masters of problem-solving, often learning by watching and remembering patterns. Some scientists even compare their cleverness to that of a dog. 2. The giant Pacific octopus. As the largest octopus in the world, this gentle giant can grow to weigh more than 150 pounds and stretch its arms to over 14 feet long. Despite its size, the giant Pacific octopus is shy and reclusive, spending most of its life hidden among rocks and caves. They can live up to 4 to 5 years, which is longer than most other octopus species. Imagine how much wisdom they must gather in that time. 3. The blue-ringed octopus. Don't let its small size fool you. This tiny octopus, about the size of a golf ball, is one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. Its body is decorated with bright blue rings that glow vividly when it feels threatened, warning predators to stay away. Hidden in its saliva is a powerful venom that can paralyze predators, and even humans. This is a reminder that in nature, size doesn't always equal strength. 4. The mimic octopus. This is one of the most astonishing creatures in the sea. Instead of just blending in with its surroundings, the mimic octopus can imitate the shapes and movements of other sea animals. For example, it can stretch its arms to look like the spines of a lionfish, slither across the sand like a flatfish, or even curl up to resemble a dangerous sea snake. This brilliant disguise keeps predators guessing and helps it stay safe in the open ocean. 5. The Dumbo octopus. Named after the famous Disney elephant, the Dumbo octopus has two adorable fins that look like big floppy ears. These octopuses live deep down in the dark ocean, thousands of meters below the surface, where sunlight never reaches. Unlike other octopuses, they don't squirt ink, because at those depths, there's no need. Instead, they float gracefully like little ghosts, earning them the nickname umbrella octopus. 6. The blanket octopus. This type of octopus is known for the long, flowing web of skin that connects some of its arms, creating a blanket-like appearance. When threatened, it spreads this blanket wide to look much larger and scarier than it really is. What's even more fascinating is the difference in size between males and females. Female blanket octopuses can be up to 40,000 times bigger than the tiny males. 7. The Caribbean reef octopus. This species is known for its dazzling colors. It can change from green to blue to purple in seconds, making it one of the most beautiful octopuses in the sea. At night, it becomes active, hunting for crabs, shrimp, and fish. Watching a reef octopus in action is like seeing a living firework display under the water. 8. The glass octopus. One of the rarest and most mysterious species, the glass octopus is almost completely transparent. You can see right through its body, spotting its internal organs floating inside. Living in the deep ocean, this ghostly creature is nearly invisible to predators, making it a true master of survival. Eating like a sea king. Octopuses are carnivores. They eat crabs, shrimp, fish, and clams. They use their strong beak to crack shells and inject venom to soften their prey. But they are also clever hunters. Some use rocks to block a crab's escape, while others pounce like cats. Why octopuses are so important? Octopuses are not just fascinating, they play an important role in keeping the ocean healthy. They help control the population of other sea creatures and are food for larger predators like sharks. Sadly, pollution and climate change are affecting their habitats. By keeping our oceans clean, we help protect these amazing animals. So, the next time you think of the ocean, remember the octopus, the color-changing, puzzle-solving, shape-shifting master of the sea. If you enjoyed this underwater adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep exploring together. Until next time, ocean explorers, keep your curiosity alive.